Hi everyone, this is Coach Woodle, and today's topic is going to be about making a copy of a file and then moving it to a specific folder. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to take a file that was shared with me right here from my Google Drive, and then I'm going to go up here to the top corner on the left hand side where it says File and click on that button. In the drop down menu below, you're going to see all these different options that you can do, but we're going to come here to where it says make a copy. I'm going to click on that. So for me to copy this document, I can change the name of it or I can leave it as copy of return to school schedule. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and leave it. If you wanted to change it, you would just delete it and then I could change it to 2021. 2022 return to school schedule. And that is the way that I would change it. I'm just going to go back and leave it as just so that I know what it is that I am saving. So then from here, what we're going to do is right here it says folder. You're going to click here and you can choose between what folder you want. So if you're going to go to your drive, you're going to click on that arrow and then I want to save it. Here are some of my folders. I want to save it to my 2021 to 2022 high school folder so that I know where I'm keeping up with this document. I'm going to click on that, press select. And so now I have the name of the document that I'm making a copy of. And I also have the folder in which I'm going to save it to. I'm going to come down here and press the blue button that says OK. And now this is my document. This is my copy of the document that was shared with me. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I hope that this video was helpful and useful for you to use and hope that you have a blessed day.